My man. My man.
Subscribe, fag.
I like that. I think that's the best one. Subscribe to Insulin Junkie, little bro.
Bro, my man.
Subscribe to Insulin Junkie, freaking chicken nugget.
Good job. Subscribe to Insulin Junkie, squid.
Yeah, gang.
Okay. Subscribe.
In all honesty, it's not the MMO. You can still.
Let's go, Cam. Fuck yeah.
I know why you have earplugs. You need them fucking things.
It is so loud. Let me hear it. Fucking ears are rattling, bro. Cool. Huh? He's always like that. And if he sees a pretty girl, he'll go talk to any girl. I'll be like, Cam, go get her. He'll go get her.
That's what he's made for.
I know. See, he knows.
When I was younger, that's what I did.
The same, all the time. I gotta get back in the gym.
Hey, you start working out, I'll work out with you.
I'm about to sign up for Planet Fitness.
I'll go with you.
Do it. Let's go. We'll feel better, feel way better, and look better. Let's do it. It's on camera. It's on camera. Said I won't post it. Look at you up front. What are you doing up front? Cutting up, boy. Goes Parker, Jake. Eric, Alex, Jax, Isaac. We got Tyler and Kayla. Yeah, money. Let's go, baby. That's fast. That thing is fast.
Do you want to connect? Oh, you have
I sent out, yeah. Carter, probably.
I don't even know what that is.
Just do Discord.
Just do Discord, yeah. I was gonna say at least somebody be in with her.
Well, me and him are gonna be in the back
Be in the back.
watching her. And you're gonna be right next to her, so just give her enough room.
Yeah, I'm chilling.
I know, you're smart about it.
I was sitting here looking for my gloves.
Where were they?
Fucking gloves are. He said, where were they? Getting old, man. Getting old.
Starting to catch up to you.
Like my shirt.
Shut up. Hell yeah. Dude, I haven't been to Ocean City in years, man. I'm from Maryland. I love Ocean City.
Well, I already rented a cabin. I already told you.
Yeah, what do you, when? September?
9th to the 13th or something.
Of this month?
September.
Oh, September. I can make that work.
Yeah. It's like it sleeps like 8, and it's just me and my dog.
Let's go.
I need people to go with me.
Hell yeah.
It's only like $800 for the whole week.
I just have to figure out something to do with my dogs.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to bring them down there. I mean, they're good in crates and they be in the crates, but
I'll watch your dogs. I'll watch them.
you have to stay at my house and watch them. We'll see. I'll find somebody.
Well, the place I got, I
Yeah.
specifically got it to be dog friendly,
Okay.
so I could take my dog.
Okay, yeah.
So you could probably bring the one, just not aggressive or whatever.
Well, I would have to bring Kobe, but I couldn't bring one without the other. I just leave their asses home. Yeah, well, this is the thing. If I leave them home, then I actually get a vacation. If I take them, I'm gonna be fucking worried about them the whole time.
I don't know nobody, so I don't have nobody watching. You know what I mean?
Me neither. My dogs are harder. Like, my dogs are different than your dog for somebody to watch. So. You won. I was waiting. Pop it up, bro. There we go. You good? Go ahead, girl. That's going on YouTube. That suspension is maxed out. Let me see something. Is it in neutral? Put it in neutral. Let off this. You stall out a lot?
Yeah.
Okay. This needs to be adjusted.
Okay.
Your friction zone is probably too small.
Okay.
I'll adjust that some other time or put a wrench on it. Let it move out a little bit so you can feel, because yeah, you can't even feel it. I get it. What's your name?
Kayla.
I'm Nick. Nice to meet you. How old are you?
I'm 21 today.
Today is your birthday? Happy birthday. You should take my number down.
I can't.
Why?
Friends.
Ah, you got a boyfriend? Huh. Okay, find my.
Free at home.
You ride? Okay, find my. Look me up on Instagram. I'll add you to our group chat. We got girls that ride in there and everything. Hell yeah. What year's your R3?
2026.
Okay.
Got it.
Just got it. Is that your first bike?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Insulin junkie. You said Kayla, right?
Yeah.
All right, I will add you to the chat when I get home. I'll see you, girl. It don't have an exhaust yet. Tell him. Hey, rev it. She had a boyfriend, but she has a bike. She has an R3. So I told her, find me on Instagram. I'll throw her in the chat. Damn. Damn.